How to change currency in BlaBlaCar.com. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will put you through how you can change currency in BlaBlaCar.com. So let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your BlaBlaCar account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the BlaBlaCar's page, home page, where you can, search for a ride, where you can publish a ride, where you can check out your account and then carry out some information or some functions. Now, once you can see this, the next step is to scroll down to the last part of the page. Okay, because our focus is on the last part of the page. So by the time you scroll down, you'll see four different options, which include all directories, top couple routes, top bus routes, then about. Under the about tab, we have other options, which includes how it works, about us, help center, press, we are hiring, and then you can see the language. Now at this stage, I must let you know that the language you choose will be the one to determine the currency that you'd be using in your BlaBlaCar. This is because there is no direct option that showcase currency. So your language determines your country, and as such, the language determines the currency that you will be using. So if since the language I choose is English, definitely the currency used will be the dollars, depending on the country, all right. If it's UK, it will be euros or pounds, and then if it's US, it will be dollars. So you can just change the language you're using for you to be able to change your currency on the BlaBlaCar.com site. So that's how it works. This is it. This is basically it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice